Welcome! In front of me I have Polar Grid X and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the Android phone. First we need to open the menu on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the back button. After the menu opens, you can use the up and down buttons right here on the right side of the watch or the touchscreen to scroll through the menu. So scroll through the menu, select the settings icon, and once you select it, you can tap on it or press the middle button. Now select the general settings option, then select pair and sync. Here scroll down, find the option called paired devices, select it, and here you should see the name of the phone that your watch is connected with. As you can see, we have our Nokia right here. Tap on it or press the middle button once you select it, then remove the pairing by, or rather confirm the remove pairing by pressing the middle button, and it should say pairing removed. Now we can go to our phone, tap on settings, tap on connected devices or Bluetooth, and here you should see the Polar Grid X on the list of previously connected devices. Tap on the settings icon next to it, tap on forget, and tap on forget device to disconnect it. And that's how you unpair this watch from the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.